All right, now we're going to talk about the thing everyone likes, discounts. Just in case we're not sure, a discount or markdown is the amount by which the regular price of an item is reduced. Sales price is the regular price minus the discount. So in our last video, we talked about an addition. Now we're talking about a reduction or a minus. Note those two key words that can give us an idea of what we're going to do today. Light bulb's going off. All right. Just like with the markup, the tips and sales tax, there are two different ways to approach it. I, again, think that the second way is easier just because I'm slightly lazy. I don't care which way you do it. Just note that I'll probably stick with the second method because I'm lazy. A DVD normally costs $22. This week it's on sale for 25% off. What is the sales price of the DVD? First, we're going to go ahead and start by taking the $22. Okay, there you go. And finding 25% of that. 22 times 0.25 gives me $5.50. Then I'm going to take the original price, which is $22, minus the sale price, which is $5.50, and I get that the DVD costs $16 and 50 cents. That's way number one. Way number two. You subtract the percentage of the discount from 100%. So if it's 25% off, and these first couple I'll do the subtraction on here, but I do, again, more mental math. It means I'm only going to technically pay for 75% of that item. The example technically is a DVD, but I like to say that if this can's on sale, I only actually pay for this much, but I get the whole thing. That's how I like to think of it. So that way you can say, look, I'm not paying the actual full price. I'm getting only a small portion that I'm paying for. So then I take the original amount. I looked at the wrong side of my notes and I'm like, where did $40 come from? And I take that 22 times 75%, or 0.75. Remember, we don't actually multiply 75%. We turn it into a decimal. And then when I do that, and again, because I prove things to you, I don't let you just take it at face value. Oops, 22 times 0.75. Oh, I hit a button. There we go. Second quit always works. I get $16.50 right there. I think the reason I like this way more is because it gets me the answer in the end with the least amount of calculators, I guess. I don't know. I just really like method 2 a lot better. All right. A shirt is regularly priced at $42. It's on sale for 15% off of the regular price. What's the sale price? So again, we're going to start by doing that 100 minus 15. So I'm only going to pay for 85% of that shirt. Pretty neat. So 42 times 0.85, and that gives me $35.70. Okay, number 2, a boogie board that is regularly priced at $69 is on sale at 35% discount. What is the sales price with a 7%? So we have to take the percentage off first, because that's how it works when you go bring it up. Like if I pay for my can and I only have to pay a certain percentage of it, it takes that % off and then puts the sales tax on. So you're going to end up having to do 2 multiplications. You can't just add and then add, subtract, it doesn't work. So you first have to take that discount off. So I'm going to take off, I'm taking off 35%, so I'm paying for 65% of my board. So $69 times 65% gives me $44.85. So right now with just a discount, the boogie board is going to cost me $44, $45 about. Because again, I took a lot of mental math. 100 minus 35 gives me 65. 69 times that 65% as a decimal gives me $44.85. Now on that, I need to put the sales tax on, which means it's going to make the price go up. So I'm going to take that $44.85 times 107, which gives me my final price of $47.99. So we both did addition and subtraction today. I know, so hard. All right, I want you to do this got it problem. A CD has a regular price of $15.50, then sale for 25%. What is the sales price with 6.5% tax? Go. You should be buying that CD for $12.39. Which I always find it weird when they gave the CD examples because hardly anyone ever buys CDs anymore. Now, number 3, a cell phone is on sale for 30% off. If the sales price is $239.89, what is the original price? So we can work backwards now. Yay! All right, this one I'm going to show all work because it's a little bit different and a little tricky. So I'm going to start with every single step so that you guys can follow along. So I'm going to take that 100. Ooh, that's a funny 0. Minus that 30, which means that I'm going to pay for 70% of the product. I'm paying 70% of the phone, which is really not bad. I wish I could get a sale on my phone. Now it's telling me the sale price is. That means that my final answer is $239.89. Typically, I would take that 70% times the original amount, but since I don't have the original amount, I know that's 70.7 times my, let's do P for price. Whatever variable you want to use. If you want to use X, use X. If you want to use E, use E. If you want to use M or a Q, I don't care. So right now, right here with the P in the set 0.7, that looks like P point. There doesn't need to be a point there. I would end up multiplying, but since I can't do that multiplication, I undo multiplication with division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 0.7. And when I do that division, I get $293.57. And you're like, but wait, why is that a larger number? Well, it should be the bigger number. It was the original price of the phone. So what was the price of the phone before you took the sales tax off, or before you took that discount off, excuse me. So it should be a larger number. All right, what is the original price if the sales price is $205.50? So same problem as above. Now it's changing the sales price. So it still wants to know what the original price is, but what if it was changed to $205.50? What is, oh, I read my notes wrong, which you might have noticed if I actually did my calculations. Whoop. That should be $342.70. Oops. Hey, we already know what this one is. Well, we all make mistakes. I got some cooler problems coming up anyways. Wahaha. Clothes R Us and Ratcliffe's are having a sale. At Clothes R Us, a pair of sneakers is on sale for 40% off. I like to be organized, so I'm going to highlight Clothes R Us 40%, and the original price is. I need to switch colors. I'm going to highlight that in a different color, so then I'm going to write in that color. Oh, what? 40% and 50%, $50. Okay. At Ratcliffe's, the same brand of sneakers is discounted for 30% off the original price, $40. Which store has a better sales price? So this one is blue, and this is a % off, and this is $1, which has a better one. So I need to go back to this, and I need to do it with green. And since green came first, that's where I will start. So 40% off means that I'm only paying for 60% of the item. So 0.6 times 50. I'm going to look at the right part of my notes today, which gives me 30. So at Clothes RS, I will be paying $30 for these sneakers. And then if I were to try and go to Ratcliffe's, it would be 30% off. So 70% is what I'm paying out of $40, which would give me $28 that I would pay. So it asks, which store has a better sales price? Explain. And then let's change this to a fun purple, because why not? So Ratcliffe's has a better sales price because it is $2 cheaper than Clothes RS. All right, and then this is our last problem. If the sale at Clothes RS was 50% off, which store would have the better buy? Explain. Oops, I can do math today. Clothes RS because it has a higher percentage off and would cost me $3 less. And there we are, gentlemen. We are done.